Ikaw, number 1.
Yes, sir.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yung mga hilig niyong babaho?
DLSU to USD?
Oh, may line ko yun. Oh, ano ginagawa mo dito? Pagas ko yung DLSU. Rare sighting, grabe. Uy, gusto ko sumama, maglalakad lang.
Huh?
Saka yung nag-intro eh.
Intro. Tara na.
Tara, lakad na. Let's go, guys.
Bilisan na natin, mawawala na yung araw.
1 hour 19 minutes?
1 hour 19 minutes!
5.7 kilometers, let's go.
Balik na tayo.
We're still in Lasal, bro. May 5 kilometers pa, let's go. It's not that far, yung mahirap lang is yung roads natin. What's your sidewalk rating right now?
Stop the cap!
This is our experience every time when we walk. Walang sidewalk. Antayin na life sa Chinito Walk. Let's make Metro Manila walkable. Marunong ka ba?
At least umapunta siya Quirino. Quirino na siya. One station down.
Parang may yung jeep.
Bro, naiiwan na si Rosco. Natakasan na dapat namin kayo eh.
1 kilometer down na. How are you feeling?
1 kilometer pa lang yun?
Dahil pupunta tayo sa UFC, gagawa tayo ng yellow counter. Yellow! Yellow! Racist! Yellow din to.
And golden brown.
No, yellow. Yellow. Ayun na, yellow. Yeah, yellow.
Okay, dami.
Ayun na, helmet ni Kuya, yellow.
Okay, zoom in.
Ano yun? Ay, tama na. Ay, tama na. Pwede ka na jump? What if tumayo ako dito? Content yan. University counter. 2. University counter number 3. Tayo counter number 1. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yung mga hilig niyong babaho?
I feel like I'm in San Francisco!
Wow! Parang turista dito, bro.
Rasco, swimming nga tayo.
Actually,
Yeah, tara.
kailangan, ikaw pawis ka na, ikaw nag-swimming ka na, bro.
Okay.
Tayo counter number 2. Sabi ko rin natapakan.
1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go! Dayan! Asaba.
1, 2, 3, okay.
Ay! Promise, bro. Nalalakad ko to.
Okay, side quest daw guys.
Nalalakad
We're
ka, bro.
gonna check out UE now.
I'm not mistaken, this is UE. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Nalalakad ko lang to dati. University counter, UE.
Street smart pala si Rasco.
I know. You have to say that, bro.
Tayo counter.
Tired. Kakapingi lang namin. Tapos karga-karga ko pa laptop ko.
Okay guys, we're here. Finally.
DLSU to USD.
Done. You guys already know the drill. Comment down below where to next from DLSU to where.
20k likes UP.
Okay?
Bye.
Bye guys!
Sir, we carried him all the way.
Yes, sir.